Alright, what's going on guys? It's Noah here, and we're back at the park today to fly the arrow yet again. I've got a brand new prop on it. Hopefully we don't break the prop this time because this is my last one like this, and I don't want to have to go order some more and be out of arrow props for the moment. So I got actually a 4S 1300 milliamp hour in the belly of this plane. As you can see, nice velcroed and strapped into here, but we got a ridiculous amount of power. And I'm really excited to get this thing flying and see how it goes. So let's waste no time, and I'll talk when we get in the air. Wow, this thing is crazy fast. Let's do a downwind pass here. That is insane. That is crazy. This is insane. I can't even get over how fast this plane is. I don't even want to fly it at full speed because I feel like I'm going to crash it. But yeah, this plane feels really nose heavy right now, so I'm going to try not to mess this thing up that much and drive it in the ground. But other than that, I'm really happy with how this is flying. Wow. Just doing some circles around me. There's not really much room for anything else, maybe a barrel roll or two, but there's really just eating up this field pretty fast with all this speed. Wow. No rush to go upwind here, but we're gonna do a downwind pass and it's gonna scream. That sound, I just cannot get over it. Oh wow. All right, I'm not gonna fatigue this motor and ESC combo that much. This obviously is a lot to ask for such a powerful setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up for an approach here. Hopefully I can hand catch it so I don't break the prop. There we go. That is my 4S Mighty Mini Arrow. I did not break the prop this time, and I'm so thankful for that because I cannot stand to lose one of these props and have to order more. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was pretty insane. One of the fastest planes I've ever flown, and I can't wait to make more content with this arrow. So if you have any ideas on what I could do with it, just let me know. I'm open to ideas. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.